So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to format text as a heading here on the Notes app. So the simplest way, so if I were to do title right here, heading, text, etc., as you can tell, it's all formatted in a title. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and maybe keep this one as a title and you want to change this to a heading right here, or both of these or whatever, highlight what you want, go to the top, capital A, lowercase a, and then where it says heading, make sure that it's heading right there, and it'll format as a heading. And once you're here, you can bold it, you can italicize it, do what you got to do, play around with it. It's up to you. Now, if you want to edit this even further, besides this right here, so if we just were to go ahead and do that right there, I want you to press the text, go to format right here, and then you can do a bunch of different stuff right here. So if you wanted to change the font, you can go ahead and change the font just like that. If you wanted to change the font size, you can do that. So if you wanted to maybe make your heading a little bit larger, you can do that. If you wanted to change the color of it, you can do that. Right? Do what you got to do. There's a bunch of different options here. You can play around with it, but basically, if you want to format it further, go to format right here, and there's a bunch of different options that you guys can do when it comes to the heading. So, very simple, very straightforward. That is how to format text as a heading on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.